Welcome to our last and final part for this course. Thank you for choosing to journey with us in learning soap making. There are several advantages of making your own soap. You can make one according to your needs, like a natural whitening soap with your favorite extract, one with the use of essential oils instead of fragrance oil to help enhance your mood or anything. Sounds very exciting, right? So now that we are equipped with the fundamental knowledge about soap making, it is time for us to make our own soap from scratch. For starters, we will be making a simple whitening soap with aloe vera extract. Are you ready? Let's now move on to our practical application. First, let us make our lye water. But wait, hold up. Based on our prior lecture, what did you learn about lye? What is with it that we have to always remember? Correct! We learned that lye is a very dangerous solution that may cause blindness, skin irritation, and other implications. Therefore, we must always treat this chemical along with its fumes with much caution. And to do that, just always remember and follow the precautionary measures we discussed in the lecture. Wear your mask, eye protection, and mask. Now let's weigh our caustic soda and water. But before doing that, please take note that in using the weighing scale, we have to tare or set it to 0 scale. Don't forget to include a container so that only the ingredient will be weighed. So now, we will slowly pour the caustic soda into the water. And please, never the other way around. Never ever pour the water to the caustic soda, for it will create fumes and may explode. Right, after we pour our caustic soda to the water, we notice that it turns cloudy. We just have to stir until all the particles are diluted. Expect the lye water solution to heat up just below boiling point. Once it's clear, we can now set aside the solution and let it cool down to room temperature. So there you go, we are now set to make our soap. So get ready for the next process and prepare the essentials like the oils, actives, fragrances, colors, etc. But before we proceed, please bear in mind to never use aluminum tools and equipment because it will react with most of the ingredients. Now, the oil. Next, let's grab the lye water and pour it slowly to the bowl. Stir the solution. And as we are doing that, we now see the solution slowly turning milky. Let us just continue mixing. We are now adding all necessary ingredients into our soap like the actives, moisturizer, scent, colorant, and your other preferences. Other soap formulators prefer mixing the oil and colorant first, while others start with the oil and lye, then the rest follow. Well, in actuality, there are many approaches to making soap. But what we will be doing right now is my special recommendation, for this is what usually works, especially with the kind of formulations provided in your module. Now, with the use of the emulsion blender, let us thoroughly mix all the ingredients. Remember to minimize the production of air in the solution by not lifting the blender off of it. So why use a stick blender instead of a spatula or a whisk? Well, basically, this kind of blender will help accelerate the saponification process. With a spatula or a whisk, we'll probably end up mixing for long hours. Let's just continue mixing more and more until we reach the medium trace or the condensed milk consistency. Now, in this state, our mixture is easier to handle when pouring it into the mold. Okay, now let's do that. Set your molders, slowly fill it with the soap mixture. With patience, let it sit with the room temperature for 24 hours or more. When it's finally set, it's time to demold. Slowly and gently remove your soap from the silicone mold and let it cure. There you go! You now have your lovely whitening soap. Isn't it satisfying to have your own product with a small amount of money and with the confidence that its ingredients are safe and beneficial? If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our Facebook page, that's Skincare DIY Point, or you can send us an email at skincarediypoint@gmail.com. We would be more than happy to assist you. Again, thank you so much for trusting us, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!